Do you think that the time is not sufficient for you during the day to manage your tasks and priorities? If yes, then this video is specifically for you, and by the end of this video, you will get some useful tips to manage your time more effectively and efficiently. Tip number 1 is to figure out where you are spending your time right now. I want you to take a notepad and a pen and note down where are you spending your time right now, right? Each and every item. I want you to do this for 5 days, and at the end of the 5th day, I want you to bucket them into 4 different categories. Urgent and important stuff, not urgent but important stuff, not important but urgent stuff, and not urgent, not important stuff. This will give you a clear idea of where you are spending your time, or rather you're wasting your time. So it's important that we focus on important tasks more often and not spend so much time in firefighting and doing other trivial matters during the day. Also, do not forget to say no to tasks for which you do not have time and set realistic timelines for yourself. Tip number 2 is use Pomodoro technique. According to the Pomodoro technique, you have to divide your day in chunks of 25 minutes each, where after working at a stretch for 25 minutes, take a break for 5 minutes. This will rejuvenate you and make you more efficient. And after every 3 to 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break for 15 to 20 minutes because you deserve it. Tip number 3 is to plan your day well in advance. So before leaving to work, you have to prepare the to-do list for the next day. Or if you're working from home, just do it. And also you can plan to do the most important and the toughest task in the beginning of the day, because that's the time when we are more productive. Tip number 4, set time slots for checking your email and messages during the day. So if you are checking your email and messages with every notification which is coming, then you're wasting a lot of productive time during the day. So you can set aside 3 to 4 time slots during the day and respond to your messages and emails then. And tip number 5, which is the most important thing right now, is use technology to make your life easier. There are so many beautiful project management tools like Trello, Asana. There are Google Sheets that can help you and make you more effective during the day. So thank you so much, and I hope you like the tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.